Hey guys, happy Saturday. Hope you're doing well. This is a live in my Facebook group. If you're watching this on YouTube, bear with us for a few minutes, just the beginning. Some people will be jumping on, possibly. If not, I'm just going to go into the training and I'm going to just show you exactly how to use the Killer Swipes uh, upgrade. So, well, it's like a $7 upgrade. Barely an upgrade. It's basically nowadays it's practically nothing. Okay, so how does the Killer Swipes work? It is a file that you're going to download. It's got a whole bunch of messages in it that you're going to use in an autoresponder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how simple it is to use this and where you can get them and exactly how they work. So if you go to the so basically, this is the page that you're gonna find them on. This is part of when you sign up for my free training membership. This is just an optional upgrade. You do not have to take this. This is an optional upgrade, but I highly recommend it. This is a really great swipe file. You get 50 swipes, I think. I think that's what you get. Let me see. Do I have it open here? Yeah. Let me just go to. See if this will pop up. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, there it's 50 swipes, guys. 50 swipes. All right. So let's go back to this. All right, so this is the page, and all you do is just hit add to cart, and you'll get them there. So what do you do with these? You'll be like, Glenn, I don't know what to do with them. Easy. Okay, so first thing, go over to your Aweber account. If you don't know how to do if you don't know how to do Aweber, if you're totally confused, in my free training that you get right here, Pro members Aweber crash course. You get all this. This is totally free. Boom, you get that in there with your membership. As part of this, this is just a free training, right? And this is where you get the killer swipes. It's for this, okay? So you're in your Aweber. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a list. I show you how to do that in the training, so I don't need to redo that. I'm in my list. All I'm gonna do is create a message. I like to work in HTML. Right here, HTML message. Right, and what it's going to do, it's going to create a message for me. Now, what am I going to do? I'm going to go over to the Killer Swipes file here. I'm going to pick, let's just pick the first one, open it up, copy the subject line, copy, paste in there. Do you guys know how to copy and paste? Very, very simple. And you should learn to do it with your keyboard, but if you want to just do it with your mouse, you would copy, highlight what you want, right-click your mouse, and then you would go copy. Or you could go up here and you go edit and you go copy. See that little symbol there? That tells you what the quick key is for it. So basically that's it. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go back to our thing here, and then same thing. We can go up to edit. We can do paste. We can right click, paste, or we can do what I do. I use Command V and it pastes it. There you go. I need to change my name. Glenn. Now what are we going to do? It says click here to see. What are we going to send them? Well, we can send them a whole bunch of different things. We go to Warrior Plus, right? We come over here, sign in, go to offers, right? Go under affiliate offers right there. And then what you want to do is you want to look through the offers. And how do you look for a good offer, guys? We're looking at conversion rate. We're looking at price per visitor. So you want something that's over $1 usually here. You want something that has a high conversion rate, but it's got to be congruent with what your list is. So this is Infinity Cloud. I'm not sending it because I don't think most people on my list want storage solutions. They want make money online solutions. So I would go down. Secret Affiliate Pro, 1,000 units sold. It's converting at 5%, $2 per conversion. Average sale is $43. I like that. So what we're going to do is you can click on here. Now, if you are not already set up with this would say request. So you'd click on that, right? Here, let me show you one that I'm not at. Go back to offers here. I'll show you how I request. Okay, let's see. Okay, click engine. 50 cents. See, I don't think that's. It's only an average sale of $9.36. Okay, Infinity Cloud right here. Oh, I'm already Spectra. Let's just do this one. Converting it. This is great. I don't know what it is, but let's request it. So I'm going to go over here. So I'm going to go request approval. Hey, I would like to promote your product. Can I get approved? Thanks, Glenn Murray. Now, most of these vendors know me, guys, but I still tell them who I am and ask to be approved, right? I think this is Howard. So I would like to, that's what I would do. So native ad spy app. So this is all about doing ads. So that's great. This is really targeted for people that are running ads. And at some point, you guys will probably want to be running ads. I would like to promote your product. Boom, boom, boom. Request offer. Right there. Just request it. Now I will wait to see. Sometimes I'm just whitelisted. So no, I'm not whitelisted with him. So I have to wait for him to do that. So let's go back to offers. Let's go back to Secret. What was it? Secret Affiliate System Pro. Great offer. So what we do is we copy this. Once we get approved, right? We're going to copy this. This is our affiliate link. Copy that. Go back over to our message. Go in here. Highlight the text. And see this little chain link thing up here? You can see this. Click that. And now we just paste our affiliate link in. Okay. Now that is done. That's it. Like that's all we need to do. We can preview it. Right? We can test the link and boom, it goes. Now, if someone buys when they go to this page, I get paid. Look at there's claim $3 off. So that's testing and approved. So I'm going to go back to the editor. I'm going to put a little bit of space. I'm just going to put some returns here so that my unsubscribe link is a little bit lower down the page. It's not right crammed up against it. So that's how we get Warrior Plus. All right. So let's go over to Clickbank. So we can go to Clickbank. So get a Clickbank account, clickbank.com, go to Marketplace, and you can, guys, just watch this. If you just leave this blank and hit search, all it does is show you the top converting offers. Okay, so if you're in the dental niche, there you go. Clickbank's easiest commissions so their first ones are usually like health and wellness, but we go down and what do we find? On the second page, I want to find something to make money online. Get paid to use Facebook right here. So how do we promote this? Well, you can go to the affiliate page and get a bunch of information, but instead, all we need to do is press this promote button and it puts my nickname in, tracking ID. I go create hop link. Now I've got this one. I just copy it, or I can hit copy here. And now I can go over to my message, and instead of, once this is highlighted, guys, too, you can double click it. Now, instead of promoting the Warrior Plus one, I could be promoting the Clickbank one. Okay, so now if I preview and test it, it's going to go to the Clickbank offer. Right? Ta-da! Easy peasy. Now, let's say we don't want to promote Clickbank. And guys, you can go on, there's hundreds of offers. I'm just showing you just a few ones. Let's go to Digistore. Same thing, go to Marketplace. Now what's going to come up is the most popular ones. Keto meal plan. So look at, guys, if you're in the health and wellness, there's some killer products out there. Home doctor, dominate mail enhancement. Or you can go over here, email marketing. Perpetual income, right here, guys. So to grab your link, right here, you just click it. Now it's copied to the clipboard. Go back to my message. Oops, I'm in preview there. Go back to editor. Double click it. Boom. Okay. Now I'm promoting perpetual income, right? And perpetual income is also on Clickbank, guys. You can promote it from either place. Preview and test. And there you go. Now it's showing perpetual income. So that is how easy it is. So once we've decided which one we're going to do, save and exit. We're going to choose schedule a broadcast. We're going to go to active subscribers on our list. We want to send it immediately. And we want these two ones clicked. We want to track clicks and that. And boom, we send message now. And that is as easy as it gets. Like, it really is that easy. Simple. I'm not going to send it because I've already sent 2 emails from that today, but that is how you do it. All right, so let me go back to my camera here. All right. So that is how you use the Killer Swipes file. Really, really easy. If you grab the Killer Swipes file, I think the next offer is done for you. We go in and we set up your autoresponder. We set up your funnel for you so you can be using that funnel. So if you are not using this, then go use it, guys. For $7, you get 50 email swipes. They're all proven to not hit the spam folder. They're all proven to go into the updates folder. That's what you want. And that's why these are killer swipes. And you can really, they're so generic, you can really basically send any link that's in the make money online niche where people are going to be making money, and you can send them the link, right? And if you're trying to send them something different, just change the wording a little bit. Just slightly change the wording so that it reflects what the offer is that they're going to be going to. And that's it, guys. That is how you use the Killer Swipes file. It is super, 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 super easy. So again, my name's Glenn Murray. You're in my Facebook group. This is also for my YouTube. If you're on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe button. I'll put a link below where you can go in and you can grab my free training funnel and where you get the Aweber crash course. Go through it. If you want killer swipes, pick up the killer swipes. Go through the course. If you have any questions, ask me. Better yet, join the Facebook group. Go into the Facebook group and ask the question in the Facebook group. That way, I can answer it in the Facebook group, and I can do a video answer. So hopefully it explains to you exactly what we're doing. All right, guys, that's it. That has been my explanation of the Killer Swipes email file, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.